What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to disable dial pad sound on iPhone. So iPhone plays small sounds when you type on the keyboard or lock the screen. These sounds can be helpful but sometimes annoying in quiet places, so let's see how to disable them. So firstly, find the settings app on your iPhone home screen. Tap to open it, then scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. This section lets you control all sound and vibration options on your phone. Now scroll down until you see the keyboard clicks and lock sound options. If these toggles are green, the sound are currently enabled. Now toggle keyboard clicks off to disable typing sounds, and toggle lock sound off to disable the sound when you lock in your iPhone. You can turn off one of both depending on your preferences. Now try typing on your keyboard or locking your phone and you should no longer hear the clicks or lock sound if these toggles are turned off. It will reduce minor irritations from constant clicking sounds and makes your phone more discreet in meetings, classrooms, or public places. And of course, you can also use the silent mode switch on the side of your phone to quickly mute all sounds temporarily, including keyboard clicks. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.